Traveling from Delhi to SOU is now made easy. Once you reach Ekta don't worry about anything because we have got you covered. From sightseeing and guided tour with ticket booking to the major SOU attractions to transportation in AC buses, your 3-night, 4-day packages have everything you asked for. Additionally, guests can also enjoy in-house activities and amenities, curated experiences, meals and refreshments with guaranteed world-class hospitality. While you plan your 3 days with us, we ensure that you experience the best of both worlds. A visit to all major attractions and a chance to experience the luxurious stay and amenities of Statue of Unity Tent City 1. So if you book with us, you don't have to worry about anything. From delectable meals, wholesome experiences, luxurious stay, guided tour, ticket booking to commuting, our packages include everything. Welcome to the place where luxury meets nature. Welcome to Statue of Unity Tent City 1.